2, then another type of sea salt, and that's it. And then this is my favorite toast. Just 4 ingredients, boiling hot. It's organic and art that I pre-sliced. Clean ingredients, the wild caught salmon, salt, texture, and flavor that I go because that one's good too. It's wild caught and it's got clean ingredients. Sure that that one from Costco because it's cheaper or more affordable compared to this. But I don't know, maybe getting the one from Costco, especially when I'm craving for it. I think 2 years ago. Then brunch that I take a break from as obsessed as the first time. So, I did not grow up liking this kind of meals for breakfast or silog sometimes, but not as often anymore. Microgreens, broccoli microgreens are rich in sulfur. If you look into it, it's got a lot of antioxidants and just time.
You have that all to yourself Thursday night.
You are the bestest girl in the whole wide world.
What is it?
This? It's boot paint. Finish school.
You are smart. You'll figure something out. Something great.
But sometimes when
No offense, but I don't think personal shoppers...
this is one of those times when the best thing you can do is do nothing. Invite your friends over, put up some
Thank you, but I met your
Holy crap.
site and they think that I killed him. Horrible you are. We just had her early on that Laura was going to have a secret of my life. I had to live with
Someone further away.
Discount codes, but it's really out here sharing what I take and